Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to week 5 of Contemporary Management Accounting. Once again, I'm going to do another video this week. My webcam isn't working, so I've had to do it just with a screen capture here. I'd like to thank everyone for submitting all their practical tasks on time. I can see that everyone's submitted. I've looked at a couple briefly, and there's some quite good submissions in there. I'm going to look to try and get those turned around and marked within 2 weeks. So the usual marking time is 2 weeks, but hopefully I can get that done sooner for you. So this week's schedule, we're looking at week 5 here, and the module is managing and reporting performance. We do have another online quiz that's opened up on 9 a.m. this week, and it shuts at 11:59 p.m. Sunday. So let's hope that everyone can get that done. If you have any issues, please do not hesitate to get in touch. So moving on from there, so just wanted to show you with the assignments, we're also looking at the case study check-in as well. So these have to be emailed through to me with the forms from each group. So in the assignments page, we just have to go through to this page, download the 2 documents, and just fill them out and send them through to me. So in terms of meeting minutes that need to be submitted, just some emails and things if you're communicating via email, some delegation of tasks as well, maybe as well that's come through on the assignment check-in sheet on this document. We did go through it in the collab session. So yeah, it's usually just delegation, showing that it's an equal split between all team members and that everyone's contributing sufficiently to the task. Alrighty, so this week is managing reporting performance. So this is kind of the start of the next 3 weeks of the content that we're going to have to put into the assignment. So this week, as we're focusing around performance management and its role in a decentralized organization, from this, make sure we're going through the essential readings of Chapter 12. It isn't specifically the balanced scorecard and SWOT analysis, but it does build on that. So we will be working towards the assignment from here. And last but not least, please don't hesitate to get in touch and also post questions on the discussion board. We've had quite a few good questions on there. Some people like to email them, but I definitely encourage, if you feel like a question can be answered by another team member, to really post them on the discussion boards. So good luck. I look forward to marking your practical tasks this week, and if there's any feedback I can provide, I'll definitely get that to you as soon as possible. Thank you.